everybody, Les here with Rudimental Gardening. So it's been about 2 weeks since I did my tomato transplants, so I thought I'd do a quick update on how they're doing. They've really taken off, so it's amazing just what 2 weeks will do. So let's take a look. Alright, so here we go. So if you're looking down the line here, I have 16, I believe there's 16 or 17 pots here. I think there's 6 varieties, all determinate types and all hybrid varieties. Several of these I have not grown before, but as you can see, they've really taken off. I'll put a little picture of what they were like from my previous video, and if you didn't catch my transplant series, tomato transplant series, there's a part 1 and part 2. You can take a look at those. I'll put a card up here for you to click on, and I'll put a link down in the description of the video. But as you can see, they're coming along very nicely. So I have trimmed some of the lower branches, which is something I always do. And in fact, even limbs, these branches like this one, I'll probably get rid of it as it grows. And that way, as you can see, the plants are fairly close together. They're all in 7-gallon grow bags. I do, except for a couple. I think I have 3 in a 10-gallon variety. But this is typically what I use, is the 7-gallon. So again, I'll trim the lower branches off again. I think it's real important the way that I grow them in these grow pots, fairly close together. Each one has a saucer underneath it. I watered them about an hour ago. You can see the water down there. That way, the way this garden is positioned, the wind typically just blows straight through here. And if I keep that bottom part open up, the air can flow through there and keep out moisture building up and mold, mildew, and viruses and bacteria and whatnot. It's worked pretty well for me, so I just keep doing it. We did have a lot of wind shortly after I transplanted these, and some of them did have a little wind damage, but they're snapping back. So just wanted to give an update, and you know, it's really exciting to see your plants healthy and getting ready to flower. There's some of these already have a few flowers forming on them, and so they're going to town. I did feed these with AgroThrive, and so far I've been real pleased with it. This is the first year I've used it, and I've been real pleased. I've only actually applied it about 3 times, and each time the plant just perks up, and it's beautiful green color. So far I like it. I will put a link to that in the description as well. But just a quick update. So hope everyone's having a successful garden so far, and I'll keep you updated with further videos. Please like, subscribe, and comment below what you think, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks a lot.